Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again, Obsession with Perfume. Today I got this blooming flower gardenia by Fragrance World. It doesn't have a lot of high review on the Fragrantica, only 2.98 I believe. Did it the note exactly the same as the Flora Gorgeous Gardenia by Gucci. And it's exactly the same note, but the price is different because this is under £20. And then because I'm quite curious last time that I did the video of this, and I just looking up and I saw like that is exactly the same note, same bottles, the same everything. I wonder what the scent going to be like. So I bought this sample from Notino of the fragrance of the Gucci fragrance sample, just to see what it smell like, how different is between the two fragrances, how close they are. So, and then first we're gonna try to spray it. Did it launch in 2025 I believe, and the note is, if I can find it, the note is it pear blossom, red berry, Italian mandarin, and you got gardenia, jasmine, and frangipani, and also, and the base note you got brown sugar and patchouli, I think. It's a nice fragrance. I like it. I love gardenia. It's really nice. It's really it's fruity, but not over fruity, and it quite floral. It's a floral fragrance and gourmand, this fragrance. So it's sweet, but it's not too sweet. It's really nice. It's quite seductive and it's quite freshy. I think it in the date night in spring and summer times, and then you can wear in the daytimes as well, and good for date nights. And winter time you can wear this nicely in daytime, in winter time, fall and winter time, because it, yet you got mandarin, you got red berry, and all those stuff. Fruit is quite freshy and slightly tangy, but and then you got this flower coming along like gardenia, jasmine, and frangipani. It is supposed to be like tropical florals. However, and you got brown sugar and patchouli. It get it more like a freshy, summery. But somehow it toned down. That I'm sure it's that flower, that gardenia and frangipani, it toned down. So it make it more. Might be a bit too much for some. I think that's why it only 2.98, because when I first sprayed it, at first of all, I saw like it's something in it that I don't like. However, but when it starts to die down, it smells beautifully. It's nice. It's really nice, and it's under £20, so it wasn't that bad. And I wore it a few times. It lasts 8 to 10 hours and longer than that, because it after 14 hours I still can smell it on my skin. So it's not, the performance is quite good for the price of £19.99. So yes, I do recommend it. If you don't want to, if you like this kind of fragrance and you don't want to spend a lot of money on it, it is definitely fragrance for you. And it it definitely the feminine, it's leaning, definitely leaning to feminine, even it got quite fruity in it, but it's, yeah, it's feminine, it's long lasting, the price is good. So I definitely, and then I'm gonna check on this Gucci one to see what it like. So it first come out in the box. I only received it yesterday or today, I'm not so sure. It's a big box for the small bottle. So this is Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia by Gucci. Let's see what it like. I do like the bottle. The pink is beautiful. Pink and pink, almost the same pink. So gonna try this out. Okay, got the lid. 10 ml is good enough, because I don't use a lot of it. Okay, it's the same note. But did it only got like did it got 3.94 on, yeah. Did it when first spray, I think Gucci is slightly lighter when you first spray it out. The same note, but it's slightly lighter. About 99% similar. So it's very similar. It's really, yeah, it's the same note. Same note, and it's very similar, but this one somehow is a bit lighter, but this one slightly stronger when you first spray, but exactly the same note, exactly the same smell. Almost straight dupe, and the bottle, yeah, bottle is still the same. Yeah, sorry, but I can't say anything more than that. It's exactly the same note, almost the same pink bottle, and exactly smell the same somehow. But this is when it first spray. Let me spray on another side of my hand. Yeah. I can't tell different. I got to think that sometimes this fragrance, it will be smell something different because the percentage of the florals on this might be different of this, so something might be a slightly heavier. However, I can't smell different, so exactly same smell. You got that freshy mandarin and the berry on those top note pear blossom coming out, and it quite strong berry and quite slightly freshy and tangy, and then when start to dry down a little bit, you got floral coming through. Yeah, I can't say anything anything different on this one. They smell exactly the same, and the same note, same fragrance, same notes. I'm surprised there is no copyright in the in fragrance, so, and that's why fragrance will copy exactly almost the same bottle. Sorry, and it's the, yeah, slightly different but almost the same, exactly. So I do recommend it. So it like me, I'm spent 20 pounds on it. No, I didn't. Yeah, it at the moment you can get it for £19.99 in some website, but I'm sure you can get cheaper eventually. And then this one I spent about £22 or something like that for the sample of for 10 ml from the Notino. So, and they're exactly the same note. It's just my curiosity. I want to know what it going to be anything different, but it isn't. So I just say like it, just go for this 20 pounds and you got a full bottle. So, and it good. It's good for your monies for this one. So okay. I hope this video is helpful, and it definitely the great dupe on this one. Thank you everyone for watching. Goodbye.